This video is sponsored by my book, Young and Old, a comedy with sarcastic dialogue about a Vietnam vet. Links will be in the video description below of where you can purchase this book at all the online bookstores. Alright, welcome to another edition of Adventures with John. I'm your host, John Leach IV. It is Black Friday 2025. It's currently 5:04 p.m. I've got the screenshot. Just got a really good deal. $8 for 2 miles of Marie. It's going on here at Chick-fil-A. Down here in Fifth Street in Reading and delivered to Temple.
Mile turn left on Elmore Avenue.
So it's $8 for 2 miles for Uber Eats. I was out this morning down in Pottstown. I made 27 bucks. It was lousy today. So I figured I'd come up here in Reading and try this for the dinner rush. I was out for the lunch
turn
rush,
left
but
on Elmore Avenue.
there was no lunch rush. Yeah, there was no lunch rush. It was a lot of lousy, pathetic offers, man. At any rate, I had to get my GoPros reformatted, put my gear on. Alright, I'll see you at the pickup at Chick-fil-A. So stay tuned for more action. See you down the road. We arrived at Chick-fil-A. Let's see what they got. 4 items. Let's see any drinks. 1 drink, lemonade. Nope, 2 drinks. Alright, I'm gonna need my drink bag. Alright. See you in a couple minutes.
Hi sir, do you have Uber Eats?
Yep, thank you. Awesome, thank you so much.
My pleasure. And then the order number will be right there for you.
Okay, got it, thank you.
My pleasure, have a great day.
You too.
Here you go, sir. My pleasure. Hello, welcome to Chick-fil-A.
I got an ornament.
Did you, oh, you wanted an ornament. I'm so sorry about that.
It's only $17.47.
I'm so sorry about that.
Yep. Busy in there, and it is cold and windy outside, that's for sure. Man, Chick-fil-A is swamped tonight. They're fast though. I'll give them that for how busy they are. They were fast. All right, 1.5 miles down the road. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see at the drop-off location. I don't know why the GPS was taking me up there when the house is right here. Alright. Stay tuned for more action. See you down the road. Alright, I just accepted a DoorDash order, and once again I forgot to screenshot it, but it's an okay offer. It's $8.65 for 4.5 miles. Let the brag out. It's the same customer. I got it at Wawa first, then Burger King, and then drop it off to the customer. So they order from 2 different places.
In a quarter mile,
But
turn left onto Pennsylvania 61.
what's so dumb is I was really sitting 2 doors down from the Dunkin' Donuts. Instead of taking that Dunkin' Donuts, it wanted to take me 1 or 2 miles down the road. Sometimes DoorDash makes no freaking sense. I'm sitting 2 doors down from a Dunkin' Donuts, and it says me down 1 2 miles down the road.
61, Pottsville Pike.
At any rate, I'll see you at the Dunkin' Donuts when I get there. So stay tuned for my action. See you down the road. Alright, about to pull in the Dunkin' Donuts.
Turn right. Then, in 100 feet.
As I was trying to say before I was really interrupted by the dumb GPS, this Dunkin' Donuts usually open in the morning. It's rare it's open in the evening time like this, but it is Black Friday, so. How you doing?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever
Okay, you guys are getting fat. Sweet.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
Have a good night. Alright, they already had the drinks packed up, ready to go. It's pretty awesome how they had it done, ready to go. I can't freaking see what I'm doing. Man, that's annoying. Alright, now we gotta go to Burger King next. Alright, just right down the road. Alright, I'll see you at Burger King. I'm at Burger King. Let's see what they ordered. Hope there's no drinks here because I already got Dunkin' drinks. It's the same customer. Arrived at the store. No, it is a different customer. I thought it was the same customer. I guess it's not. Alright, see you in a couple minutes. Yep. Yeah, that's ready yet.
Olive B?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just gotta make the strawberry shake.
Okay, thank you.
A piece of
Awesome, thank you. Off the Dunkin' Donuts first. Turns out it is 2 different customers. It didn't show up like that in the map though. Look, the map looked like it was the same customer. At any rate, I'm gonna go drop off the Dunkin' Donuts order first. See the drop off location. For the manor care, I'm gonna drop off this Dunkin' Donuts order. I'll be back in a minute.
Launch drop-off location.
Yeah, it's like.
Added the following instructions. Residential.
Closer. So to take your temperature. Is it down to?
Yeah, give me a second. I might want a picture. I'll give me 1 second. Well, it's nice and toasty warm in there. And again, I forgot to screenshot because I was getting so many lousy offers. When I finally have to use an offer from DoorDash, it was $12 for 5 miles. Round trip, it's $10. So it's over $1 a mile. And Uber Eats was sending me a whole bunch of stuff, but it was crappy offers. Like way out of the way. Really low offers, upside down offers. Once it sent me out to Kutztown. So I kept rejecting those. At any rate, I'm on my way to Little Caesars. Pick up the first order, and then I got to pick the second order. I forget what the second one was, but it's all real local. It's a good, pretty decent offer. So anyways, I'll see you at Little Caesars. How you doing? DoorDash. Well, that's an unusual setup in there. It texts you a code and then you have to go open the door and get it yourself. I'm not liking that too much. Alright, now we gotta go to this Tasani Mexican restaurant. Never heard of it. Alright, almost a mile down the road. Alright, see you at the Mexican restaurant. I don't know why I didn't think I knew where this restaurant is. Of course I know where it is. It's right here on Kutztown Road. I just never delivered to this place before, but I pass it all the time. So, I know where it is. It's Tasani's right here by the fire company. Down here in Temple. I gotta find a place to park. Nothing too bad.
Drive east on Mount Laurel Road. Then turn right onto 10th Avenue.
This GPS is so freaking dumb. Well, that's probably the first and last time I'll deliver for this place. There's hardly anybody in there, and they're slow as molasses. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. They didn't even start the order until I walked in there. And there's hardly anybody in there. So yeah, I don't think I'll accept any offers for this freaking place. Every time I go to a restaurant or a diner, they're slow as molasses and never start it until you get in there. I'm sick and tired of accepting offers from restaurants. Like fast food, like they are fast food, they're quick.
Then, in 400 feet, turn right.
Alright, so it's down here.
Turn right onto Kutztown Road, then bear left.
So turn right. Oh, it's this house right here. Right in the freaking corner. jet battery. I gotta change my GoPro battery. That's one on my chest. The battery's going dead. Let me turn this light off. Alright. Stay tuned for more action, and I'll see you down the road. Alright, I forgot to put the camera on earlier. I was sitting down here at Pizza Coma, and it was really slow and lousy offers, and I finally got $5 for 2 miles from McDonald's. So I just went to McDonald's, picked it up, and looks like it's right down the road. It's really slow today. It's only 7:30. It really slowed down a lot. Yeah, I don't know. It's really slow for Black Friday, let me tell you. Alright, see a drop-off location.
USA is on the left.
42, that's right there. Alright. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, boss?
Good, thanks. I'm gonna need a PIN number then. 1 second. You have the best.
Yes.
You have the best house number I've ever seen. That is fantastic. Thank you. It was the easiest I've ever found. So thank you. Have a great weekend.
You too, man.
Alright, that customer was fantastic. He greeted me at the door. Super nice guy. He has the best house number display I've ever seen. I should have took a picture of it. Big, huge letters. That was probably the easiest one I ever found. Really nice customer too. That made my day right there. I needed that. Alright, let's get back on Grubhub and Uber Eats. Okay, we're back on Grubhub. Whatever. What the heck? What's going on here? Hold on. What do you got, DoorDash?